Hi, I'm Phil Gallagher from Good eLearning, and here are the 5 key benefits of Agile Programme Management, or AgilePgM, in 60 seconds or less. Number 1. Flexibility. Agile programs are made up of short iterative goals. This allows managers to amend targets to suit changing program requirements without sacrificing speed or causing delays. 2. Satisfaction. Projects within Agile programs create working services that start generating value immediately. This also leads to ongoing feedback, which helps optimize end results. 3. Control. AgilePgM offers a governance model that lets managers apply Agile on a large scale without losing sight of strategic goals. This makes Agile far more viable for strategic programs. 4. Transparency. Agile programs use clearly defined metrics and roles to accurately track progress and optimize communication and collaboration. 5. ROIs. Agile program teams have the speed and autonomy to deliver results quickly. At the same time, working incrementally helps optimize quality. The result is programs that deliver more value with less time and expense. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free trials and resources on project and program management training, click the link below in the description. Why not take a second to let us know your thoughts on AgilePgM in the comments below? Visit the Good eLearning website today to find out more.